are over, isn't it? Feeling relaxed? आपके टेस्ट हो गए हैं and yes, soon I'll be sharing the results also. But I must say that you all have done really good. And keep on practicing will again improve your performance. Is it clear? So practice makes a man perfect. Don't stop doing your practice. Okay, bacha? So really very well you have attended the tests. Now it's time to begin with our classes ahead. Now we are going to learn some more new and interesting things from today. Clear? So let's resume with our classes again and let's get back to our books and notebooks, but not for the test, to learn something new. Clear? So class today is 9th December 2020 and the day is Wednesday. And as you all know, on Wednesday, the first class that we have is of English, isn't it? So in English, we have learnt about lot of words, sounds and words. This is what I have been teaching you since April month. April से मैम आपको sounds सिखा रहे हैं, मैम आपको words building सिखा रही है कि how you can build different words using sounds, blending different sounds with each other, and how we can make new words and play with them. And even by now I have seen many of you are able to do reading also, and that's really very impressive and that makes me feel proud for you all. Clear? So what next are we going to do today? So today we are going to begin with a new sound. Can anyone tell me which sound? Look at the pictures and tell me. If you will identify these pictures and tell me the name, you yourself will come to know which sound we are going to learn today. Clear? So what are we going to do first? First, let us write the name of these pictures that you can understand. And then I'll tell you while writing the name, what sound are we going to learn today. Clear? So I know you already have read, as you all are now able to read. So you all might have read the topic, you all might have read the topic. What I have written here, I have written CH words. So CH words is no topic actually. We have to understand the sound today. So a new sound I am going to teach you. Let's see how we have to pronounce it. So the first picture we have is, if you remember, while doing the square shape in maths, I have taught you about this game. It's a game which is having white and black squares on it in a pattern. You remember which game is this? Yes class, can you tell me? A square board which is having white and black squares, again small squares on it in an alternative way. And when we see these squares, they have a pattern like white, black, white, black and so on. Like this. So you remember which game is this? Yes, it's chess. Very good. Which game is this? Chess. So it's a chess. Now, one is this. Can you tell me what is this? What am I using for writing on the board? What is this? A white stick. So what sort of stick is this? This is something similar I have drawn here. Can you tell me what is this which I use to write on board? It's a chalk. Yes. What are we going to write here? Chalk. Okay, the second picture we have learnt is a chalk. Now, can you tell me which fruit is this? Yes, which fruit is this? You might remember in EVS we have done fruits and vegetables. So which fruit is this? It is a cherry. Yes, cherry. So now, this is cherry. Now what is this which we like the most. It's very tempting when it melts on pizzas and burgers and sandwiches, and even mouse, they like to eat it. So can you tell me what is this? Something which is yellow in color. It comes in different shapes, different sizes. Yes? Okay, I tell you the name. There are a lot of varieties like mozzarella, cheddar, and we have spreads also. Cheese! Yes, it's a cheese. So it's a cheese. Now, see, we have written chess, chalk, cheese, cherry. Now, what is this? ये लेस लिखा हुआ है मैम ने. So ये लेस देखते कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? Can you get something? What is this? लेस. लेस के पैकेट्स. क्या होता है उसमें? Potato chips. Yes, it is a packet of chips. So we'll write chips. Now, can you tell me what is this? Just think of. See, there are. It is first of all made of iron. Iron से बना होता है. ठीक है? Iron के क्या होते हैं? इस तरह के links बने हुए होते हैं. Link होते हैं कि chain. I told you. So there are some links like this. As if you can take it this as a link. Then one in this. Again वो उसके अंदर loop करके आता है. फिर से वो loop करते हैं. So they attach to each other like a loop. एक दूसरे के अंदर से attach होते हैं. So we call it a chain. And how we use it? We use it in whenever we are traveling somewhere. जब हम कहीं travel करते हैं, either in a train or somewhere, we just keep our luggage together and we tie that with a chain so that no one can take our luggage. So one is that at night or during the daytime also, you might have seen some of the people, they follow this habit that they tie their vehicles with chain. And then they tie it with somewhere near to their home so that nobody can take that vehicle away also. So basically this is a chain which we use to tie things. These things like whatever things which we are not using. Sometimes when we are moving from one place to another, we carry all the things, we keep them under a chain, हम उनको chain से tie करते हैं. And then we take so that nothing can fall down. तो सब एक साथ रहता है. Neither it can fall nor someone else can take it away. So we call it chain. What we call it? Chain. Now if you remember, if you see that when I have written all these words, okay, we are left with one. So what is this? It's a bird, but it is a baby bird. The baby bird. What do you call? Bird के baby को क्या कहते हैं? What we call? A bird's baby. We call it a chick. Yes, what we call it? We call it a chick. So how I'm going to write it? Chick. It's the baby of a bird. Clear? Understood? Now class, tell me, when I have written all these names, obviously you will find that the first two alphabets is C and H, which is very common in all. देखिए, CH, chick, CH, cherry, CH, cheese, CH, chalk, CH, chess, CH, chips, CH, chain. So can you tell me what is common? The sound. So what sound is coming out of this CH? C and H, when they are mixed together, when the sounds are blended together, what sound is coming out of for the CH? Tell me what sound is coming out? Read the words. Chain, chips, chess, chick, chalk, cheese, cherry. There are a lot many more words I am going to bring right now is coming out? Ch. C and H. When they are mixed together, the sound that is coming out is ch. Ch. Chick. Ch. Ch. Cherry. See? Ch. Airy. Cherry. Ch. Ease. Cheese. Ch. O. Chalk. Ch. S. Chess. So understood? Ch. In. Chain. Ch. Ips. Chips. Clear? So when we are talking of any word which is having C and H in the beginning, जिसके beginning में C और H होता है, what we call, how we pronounce it? Ch. C and H, when they are mixed together, they are pronounced as ch. As in chair. So you all sit on the chair. So again, ch. Air. Chair. Isn't it? Ch. Air. Chair. Now can you tell me which body part is this? What is this? What we call it? Yes, what it is? It's a chin. Yes, chin. So we all have a chin here. So again when we are saying chin. So ch. In. Chin. Isn't it? When we are saying about chin. Now, which body part is this? Chest. Yes, it's the chest. Again, ch. Est. Chest. How we say it? Ch. Est. So we call it chest. Clear? So chin we have, chest we have, then we have other words like chair. Then what the small of, जब आपको मैम बोलती है okay, have you all done your work? Okay. Children. छोटे बच्चों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Children. When there are many, we call them children. When there is only one, we call child. But चाहे हम one की बात कर रहे हैं या many की. See, we are talking of a kid, छोटे बच्चा. तो छोटे बच्चे को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Child or children. So again, ch sound is coming. See, ch, I, child. Child means एक छोटा बच्चा. One, एक छोटा बच्चा. So we call it child. Okay. Now, you all like to eat something which is very sweet, brown in color. What is that? Chocolate. Yes, again ch. Ch, chocolate. See, when we write chocolate, now see ch, late. Again the ch sound is coming here. CH से begin हो रहा है, तो how we say chocolate, isn't it? Now when mama is cooking food, if she adds something जिससे आपको, तो वो ममा क्या डालती है? You always complain ना, ममा बहुत सारी चिली डाली है. Again ch, chili. See here, chili. चिली इज मिर्ची. मिर्ची को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? चिली. आप कहते हो ना मैम मम्मा ने बहुत चिली डाल दी है. सो चिली इज मिर्ची. अगेन च. चिली तो आप बहुत बोलते हो क्या, है ना, कि मम्मा चिली डाल दी है. सो व्हाट इज दैट साउंड? च. व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग दिस वर्ड चिली, च, इली, चिली. सो wherever we are having the alphabet C and H written together, anywhere in the beginning of the word or at the end of the word, कहीं पर भी हो सकता है. So we call it ch. The sound that comes is ch. अब end में एक आता है peach. If you remember, we have learnt of a fruit peach. So how we write that word? I'll show you. Peach. Now P and ch. Ch is coming at the end. P, each. Peach. So ch अगर ch वर्ड लास्ट में भी आ रहा है, एंड में भी आ रहा है कहीं पर, so the sound will remain ch. Clear? So what I want to tell, if the alphabet C and H If the alphabet, listen carefully everyone, if the alphabet C and H are written together, and when we are talking of such words in which C and H are there together, the sound that will come is ch. Clear? As in chain, ch. Chocolate, ch. Chili, then we have chips, we have chess, we have chair, chin, chalk, chest, chick, cherry, cheese. If this CH is coming at the end, again the sound will remain same, like peach. Beach, beach क्या होता है? जब हम समुद्र के किनारे खेल रहे होते हैं, क्लियर? जहाँ पे बहुत सारा वाटर वाटर होता है, सी होती है जो सी के साइड में लैंड एरिया होता है जहाँ पे सैंड होती है, उसको कहते हैं बीच. इफ यू एवर गॉन टू गोवा और समवेयर, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ बीचेस देयर. सो अगेन बीच, लास्ट में सी आ रहा है तो लास्ट में च साउंड आ रही है. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. नाउ मूविंग टू द बुक वर्क. सो योर क्लास वर्क विल बी बुक पेज नंबर 83. Book page number 83 will be your class work. So first you have to do this work in the book as your class work, and then we will be writing some CH sound words with their picture in notebook. Clear? So picture drawing is really very important. It makes us easy to understand. Okay, so let's see how to do the work today. So class, now let us see how we are going to do our today's homework. Clear? So classwork to be done in the book, in your English book, and that to be done on page number 83 as I told you. So when you will open this page, you will find different ch words. So you have to look at the picture, trace them, and you have to read also. So yes, one more new word see we have seen is a chimp. So to whom we call a chimp? Chimpanzee. जो chimpanzee होते हैं ना, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Chimp कहते हैं. Clear? Then we have chalk, cheese, chest, child. I have told you lot other more words like cherry, chin. So you have to read also. Now the next is see the picture and complete the sentences. So you have to see and write the words here in the blank. Understood that? Okay. Now moving towards the today's homework. So for homework class, see here we have written ch sound words. Clear? So the first thing that you are going to do is write today's date, that is 9 December 2020. Clear? So after writing the date, don't forget to mention HW. It's your homework work. So now the topic is ch sound words. Clear? So what sound is this? Ch. C and H, when they are pronounced together, when we talk of them together, the sound that comes out is ch. Okay, let's begin writing the words. So this is a link by link. What I told you, what is this? It's a chain. So write ch in chain. Clear? So like this you will write the word ch in chain. So now what is this? Something which we used to sit in the classroom, at home, so on what we sit? Chair. Yes. Ch chair. It's a chair. Okay, which game is this? Chess. Very good. Chess. So class, see how I have drawn. See these pictures, they are very simple to draw. You have to draw them. Clear? Draw these pictures and write the name. Next, can you tell me what packet is this? Chips. Chips. So what is this? Something that we use when we write. This one, what is this? It's a chalk. So yes, how we are going to write? Chalk. Clear? Now, who's this? A baby bird? Chick. It's a baby bird and we call it chick. Yes, one more picture that you can draw is cherry. That I have forgot to draw. So, you can draw it like this and write cherry. Understood? So, like this you can draw the pictures and write the words. And please write these words for 2 times. Twice you have to write them and learn them as well. Okay, beta? So class, I hope you have understood the today's sound, that is ch sound. The words which are having ch either in the starting or in the ending. Beginning mein ho ya ending mein ho, the sound that comes from ch is ch. Clear? The sound that comes from ch when they are written together, it comes out as ch. Ch, chest, chick, chips, chin, chest and go on. Okay? So now finish your work and get ready for the next class. And please don't forget to share the work today itself. Take care.